Welcome! In this tutorial video, we will discuss how to add boundaries to a PIX4Dfields project to trim the orthomosaic, index maps, and other layers. Multiple boundaries and obstacles can be added to the same project. To add a boundary, click on Boundaries in the left sidebar. There are multiple options. You can import a predefined boundary file, manually define the region, or use the AI boundary tool. In this video, we will import a shapefile. To do so, click Import Shape. In the drop-down menu, select As Boundary. Select the compatible file and click Open. The boundary will be added in the right sidebar. You can edit the boundary from here. Once at least one boundary has been added to the project, you can trim layers. To do so, click Trim, select the desired layers, and click Trim. Trimming multispectral datasets to remove areas that are not of interest is crucial, as it can negatively impact the accuracy of the index maps. To save the boundary and continue working with the dataset, close the boundary sidebar. Under Layers, you can now see the trim layers with the label of the boundary used. It is possible to add multiple boundaries to a PIX4Dfields project and trim the layers multiple times with different boundaries. We hope this tutorial video was helpful. See you in the next one.